Hello and welcome. I'm Nahid from Unlocker, and in this video we're going to see how you can unlock your Samsung FRP lock. And this is not the bypass way. You know all the bypass method is right now blocked, so you can't bypass. So this method we just unlocking the Samsung phone using IMEI number or serial number, and this is not only for this Samsung. All the Samsung you can do the same process. So Samsung mobile and the tablet you can do the process the same way. So this is FRP locked. You can't skip this part without unlocking the FRP. So this is FRP locked device. That is there is asking for Google account locked. But if you forget, then you have to dial emergency star hash 06 hash. Then you can see your IMEI number and serial number. Now you have to visit my website nunlocker.com. Okay, then you have to make an account registration and then log in. So I log in now. Okay, now you have to click the place order and place order, then IMEI service, and now you have to search Samsung FRP. Okay, then you can see a service there. It's work for all the device without Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Other all the model you can submit here. So I paste the IMEI number and then place order. Okay, so the order is placed, and now it takes some time to process it, and within 1 minute you just refresh the page or click the view order, and then you can see the result, and it looks success. And when you click the order ID, then the description shows your model number and it's successfully unlocked. Now we just check from our phone. So click the next button. It's very simple process. You don't need to do anything. Just submit your IMEI and wait 1 minute and it's removed. Very simple. And now we have to enter the Wi-Fi. Okay. So our Wi-Fi is connecting, and when you connect Wi-Fi, then it takes some time here cause the Knox enrollment takes maybe 2-3 minutes extra, and the phone can reboot 2-3 times. So normally it's take 5 to 6 minutes after complete the unlock process. So now I am setuping. This is very simple and easy process. I think everybody can do the same way what I show, and this is the safest and easiest way to unlock. And now it's showing skip button, so we can skip the Google account. So I think it's already done. So we are on the last test to set up. It's same for all the Samsung mobile and Samsung tablet, nothing different. You just do the same way and set up it. Okay, so our phone is ready to use. So it's everything is done, and I think everyone clearly understand how I do the work. But if you have any question, then you can comment below. So thank you so much. See you on the next video. Till then, take care. Tada.